Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach a science subject, teeth and microbes. What? Teeth and microbes. Understood? Already in previous class I done half of the lesson, no? Here. Up to here I done, no? So now I am going to continue this lesson. Which lesson? Teeth and microbes. Page number 166. Open, ma. Open. Open all. Take pencil. Okay. Next. See teeth. Set of some teeth are given here. This is last. In last page number 166. Last. They given set of teeth in a jaw. Molars, caninus and parlos increases. 4 set of teeth are given here. You see. See now in textbook. So in adult means like this. After 18 years adult, out of 32 teeth, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 permolars and 12 molars. How many? Stand in front of the mirror. You stand in front of the mirror. Open your mouth and observe your teeth closely. Means you have to like this. Stand in front of mirror and open your mouth. Open your mouth and closely to the mirror. Stand. Okay. Are they all same? Yes or no? No. Some are width, some are long, some are small, some are big. Variety. All are not same, no. Only in some cases all are not same. In all cases, almost all cases they are same. Okay. Here, count the number of teeth in each jaw and fill in the table given below. Understand? Count the number of teeth in each jaw and fill in the table given below. See the table here. Types of teeth. Incisors 4 in lower jaw. Lower jaw means this one. Upper jaw means up. 4 lower jaw, 4 upper jaw. Totally how many? 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Canines. How many? 2 in lower jaw, 2 in upper jaw. Totally 4. Permolars. 4 in upper jaw, lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw, totally 8. Molars. 6 in lower jaw, 6 in upper jaw, totally 12. Total teeth 16. How much you come? In lower jaw 16, upper jaw 16, totally 32 sets. Total how many teeth? 32. In upper jaw 16. In lower jaw 16, totally 32. Understood? Total how much? 32. You have to fill here. Once again I am telling this table. Take pencil and fill now only. 4 in lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw, totally 8. Canines, 2 in lower jaw, 2 in upper jaw, totally 4. Permolars, 4 in lower jaw, 4 in upper jaw, totally 8. Molars, 6 in lower jaw, 6 in upper jaw, totally 12. How much will come like this vertically? It count total it 16. 4 2, 6, 6, 4, 14, 10, 10, 6, 16. Understood? 4, 2, 6, 6, 4, 10, 10, 6, 16. Totally 16 plus 16, 32. In adults, how many teeth? 32 teeth. Understood? This table also understood? Yes. See that table. See boy. Understood? Clear it? Okay. Parts of tooth. Now you come this side, down in the middle. Parts of tooth. When we open our mouth and look in a mirror, we can see our teeth. We can see now our teeth. Yes. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly. Soft gum is there, no? Like this. Here. This one is soft gum. That is hold our teeth. Means like this. I am holding the chalk piece now in my hand. Like this. A soft gum is hold our teeth like this. Understood? Okay. The soft gums hold our teeth tightly in their place. Each tooth has two parts. Each tooth has two parts. How many parts? Two parts. Each tooth, two parts. Two parts. Okay. Two parts. Crown and root. What are they? Crown and root. One is crown and second one is root. Sorry. Second one is root. One is crown, another one is root. The part of tooth that we see in the crown, the part inside the gum is root. Understood? The part of tooth that we see in a crown and part inside the gum is root. Next, see the next paragraph. The outside white covering of tooth is called enamel. What? Enamel. See, enamel. Outside white covering of tooth is called enamel. What? Enamel. See here. This is hardest material in the human body. Which is hardest material in the human body? Enamel. This is very hardest material in the human body. The layer inside the enamel that forms the main hard part of the tooth is called dentine. The center of the tooth is called pulp. What? Pulp. Pulp. Center of the tooth is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves in it. It is consists of blood cells, blood vessels and nerves in it. What? Blood vessels and nerves in it. It completely covered with, consists of blood vessels and nerves in it. Next, tooth decay. How tooth will decay? When we eat, small bits of food may stick between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, the stuck food roots and our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of gums called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in our food to produce acid, which affects the tooth enamel that starts decay. This is called tooth decay. What? Plaque is there. See, I am writing here plaque. This is present in our body. The very thick sticky layer of germs called plaque. Our body enable start decaying. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in our food. We are taking food now. In that food, sugar is present. Sugar reacts with sugar. Plaque reacts with sugar. Both are reacts and acid is present. Acid is forms. Acid is forms that affects on the teeth, tooth. So tooth decay forms at last. What forms? Tooth decay. It causes holes and cavities in the center, in the enamel and dentine and enamel. It affects enamel, where enamel and dentine both will affect. After reaction of plaque with the sugar, its false effects on the tooth. So enamel and dentine will affect. So tooth decay will forms. Next, as a result, the nerves and blood vessels in the pulp get exposed. Blood nerves. When an cold or hot thing comes in contact with these exposed nerves, we get toothache. Toothache means tooth pain. Ache means pain. If we take hot drinks or cool drinks, then blood nerves is exposed. No, they will affect on the hot drinks and cool drinks. Toothache is formed. Toothache. Ache means pain. Ache means what? Pain. Okay. Turn the page 168. See here. That tooth decay causes the following. Tooth decay causes the following. What? Toothache, holes or cavities in it, foul smell from the mouth, loss of teeth, stomach disorders, bleeding gums. Once again I am reading. See, tooth decay causes toothache. Toothache means tooth pain. Pain in tooth. Second one, holes or cavities in the gum. In the teeth holes are formed and cavities are formed that make tooth decay. And third one, foul smell, bad smell will coming from the mouth. Fourth one, loss of teeth. You may loss of teeth. Next, stomach disorders. Disorders in stomach. Bleeding gums. Always blood will coming from the gums. That is bleeding gums. Understood? Tooth decay causes the following. Toothache, holes or cavities in the teeth, foul smell from that mouth, loss of teeth, stomach disorders, bleeding gums. These are 6. Understood? Okay. Now take pencil. Again I am telling. Take pencil. Ready. 168 page number. See this box. Green color box. Multiple choice questions. You have to write up multiple choice questions here. You have to tick mark. You have to tick like this. Understood which is correct. See, tick the correct answer. See, options are given. Question is given. In below that 3 options are given. Near the option box are given. Circle. You have to tick which is correct, which is not. like this or leave it. Molars are also called dash tearing options, tearing teeth, cutting teeth, grinding teeth. Molars are also called dash tearing teeth, cutting teeth, grinding teeth. What is it called? Grinding teeth. That is correct now. Put tick mark for third one, grinding teeth. This one is, first one is wrong, second one is wrong, third one is correct. Okay. Now second one. The center of each tooth is called dash. The center of each tooth is called dash. What? Center of each tooth will call enamel. What it calls? Enamel, no? First, arches. Dentine, pulp, crown. What? The center of the tooth. What I am told, no? That you should not tell. You should understood and tell. What I am telling, no? That you should not keep. What I am told, no? Pulp. What center of the teeth? See in this page. Here, pulp is there, no? See, pulp. Teeth. About this, here information. First answer, you get it from these lines. Second one, pulp. Here. Not enamel, I told. But you should not write answer. Pulp. I am testing only for you. Understand or not? Okay. Now, care of teeth. You should take care of teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. These teeth are very important part of our body. We must take care of our teeth to prevent tooth decay. To prevent what? Tooth decay. First one. What is very important? We must brush our teeth at least twice in a day. What? We must brush our teeth twice in a day. In the morning and night. Before going to bed. You must brush your teeth twice in a day. That is morning and night. Before going to bed. Understood first one. Second one now. We should eat raw vegetables like carrot and fruits like apples, etc. banana, like this. They make our gums and teeth strong. What they make? Gums and teeth strong. We should eat raw vegetables like carrot and fruits like apples. Rawly, without boiling that, taking from the market, wash it cleanly and eat. That will make our gums and teeth strongly. Third one, we should avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. They spoil our teeth. What? They spoil our teeth. We should avoid. Means we should going to reduce. We should avoid and reduce eating chocolates and sweets. Means which is made with the sugar. We should rinse our mouth properly with water after every meal. Fourth one, we should rinse our mouth properly with water after every meal. After every meal, we have to rinse our mouth with clean water clearly and cleanly, properly also. Properly, clearly, cleanly also. We should rinse our mouth because our teeth will clean, no, our mouth will clean. Fifth one, we should brush our teeth correctly as shown in the below. See here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, they shown how to brush our teeth properly. They shown in the figure. Understood? First one, we should brush our teeth at least twice in a day, in morning and before going to night. Second one, We should eat raw vegetables like carrots and fruits like apples. They make our gums and teeth strong. We should avoid eating too many sweets and chocolate. They spoil our teeth. Fourth one, we should rinse our mouth properly with water after every meal. After every meal means you are taking food now. After taking food, you are rinse the mouth with water clearly and properly. Fifth one, we should brush our teeth correct as shown in the below. Pictures are shown in your book also. See. First one, outside surface of upper teeth use a downward slipping motion like this. Second one like this. And 5 figures are given. Okay. Sixth one, we should have a milk and milk product daily. They have calcium that makes our teeth strong. We should take daily milk and milk products. They are containing the milk calcium, no, that is very useful to wash strong. It is make strong to teeth. Seventh one, we must floss our teeth every day. Next, teeth that are not keep clean get covered with a yellow substance called tartar. This can be removed by the dentist. Why? If you not brush clearly means yellow cover substance is formed, that is called tartar. It's covered with your teeth, that is removed by the dentist only. The eighth one is over. Now ninth one. We should visit a dentist at least twice in a year. We should visit dentist twice means 2 times in a year. Understood? All 9 are understood. This you have to take care. Take care of teeth. By reading this, you have to take care. Next to say activity. Visit a dentist and ask the ways by which you can take proper care of your teeth. Once again, you visit to dentist also. By reading this, visit to dentist. Better to visit a dentist and show your mouth whole mouth, and what will tell dentist, you listen carefully. Next, box is there. Multiple choice questions. Take pencil same like this. Eating lots of sweets or chocolate dash our teeth. Options are given: spoil, cleans, both A and B. Which one is correct? Eating a lots of sweets and chocolates, what will happen to our teeth? They spoils our teeth. So first one is correct. Next, second one, we must false our teeth dash. Once option, once a mouth, every day, once a week, every day. Second one is first one, A1 is wrong, B1 is correct. Third one is wrong. First, eating lots of sweets and chocolates dash our teeth. Option spoil is correct. Clean, both A and B, leave it. First one is correct. Second, we must false our teeth dash. Options, once a month, every day, once a week. But every day. Second one. First one is correct. In second one is correct. Understood? Okay. Next, microbes. Microbes are very small living organisms. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. Means like this. We cannot see like this. This is no naked eyes means seen directly with the eyes. With eyes is called naked. They can be seen only through a microscope. What? Microscope. They can see. Microscopes are found everywhere. They can be found in air. Microbes are found in air, water, soil, food also. Inside and outside our body, the bodies of the plant, animals and humans. Some microbes are useful to us, some are harmful. Microbes are very small objects. We cannot see our naked eyes directly. With the help of microscope only we can see. With the help of microscope. What? Microscope. With the help of microscope only we can see. They are present in the food, air, water, soil, food outside and inside, human body, plants, animals, etc. Some microbes are useful to us, some are harmful to us. Okay, understood? This I will do in next class. Today's homework is here page number 167. Page number 167. This table is there, no? Type activity is there, no? This one is complete with pencil, with the help of your pens. This one and this one. Page number 167. This one, 168. This one. Multiple choice questions. 169. This one. Multiple choice questions. Understood? Thank you, children. In next class we are going to continue.